This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Active Route, Automated Interactive Routing. Another approach to routing the nets on your board is to use Active Route, Altium's automated interactive router. What does that mean? It means you select the connection or connections to route, choose the layer, and run Active Route. Active Route has the efficient multi-net routing algorithms that are applied to the specific nets or connections that you have selected. Active Route allows you to also interactively define a route path or guide, which then defines the river along which the new routes will flow. Active Route has been developed for dense boards using high pin count components to help accelerate what can be a difficult and time-consuming routing process. The board in this tutorial is not that sort of board it was designed for, but it provides an opportunity to demonstrate and explore its use.